Births and Deaths की Chief Registrar su oiriba Director of Health Services Manipur Dr. Chambo Golmaina District Hospital Thaubalda Manipur da ahanba oina Aadhaar linked birth registration ALBR for children of 0 to 5 years Haudokre Directorate of Health Services Manipur amadi CMO Thaubal anina sinduna District Hospital Thaubalgi conference hall da pangthokiba thoramaduda Director of Health Services Manipur Dr. Chambo Golmai Chief Medical Officer CMO Thaubal Dr. Y Nokul Singh Director Family Welfare Government of Manipur Dr. N Hemanta Kumar Singh amadi Vital Statistics Manipur gi consultant Dr. Mina Seramna athoiba mithung Thoramapu amasung akhanaba mithung sing oina sarukia ki athoiba mithung gi warol piraduna Health Services Manipur gi Director Dr. Chambo Golmai na haikibada ngasi dagi hangdokliba ALBR asina hiram kayada kanaba piragani asigumba program asi laibak asigi ahanba oina haudokraba matung Manipur gi oina ahanba oina District Hospital Thaubal asida ngasidagi haudokpani lamdam asigi Chief Minister N Biren Singh gi pautak matung inna ngasigi program asi haudokpani maramasina chahi manga faubagi angang singna ALBR asi registration tawbiduna scholarship subsidy na chingba laibak asigi tongan ba scheme kayagi khudong chaba singsu laubiyu haiki Manipur lenga ki Family Welfare gi Director Dr. N Hemanta Kumar na haikibada haudokliba ALBR asina lamdam asida thengnariba khudong chadaba kayada achouba mateng oiragani masigi manungda lamdam asida achouba samasya ama oiriba mapan lamdagi mitop thomjillaktuna khunda leita silakpagi awaba adudi leiraroi haibagi chauna thajaba lei haiki
influx so many problems are coming up ado masigi posina chobo solution nama piragani I hope my mayamba thamjage aduga loina akoy adu tordi phani ada tordi phani hana khaner mayam do now the responsibility lies with our index finger kamaina aina marupang singda paw si sandopi ba badu ai kudom begi responsibility ni madumang disaster view and I machigo kunsubadi thamjarage
Housing birth registration that is 0 to 5 years kisi manung isida is a system by which Aadhaar is given to children. So particularly 0 to 5 years by linking with the birth registration number fetched from civil registration system. Another point is ALBR will provide benefits to the children to have a hassle-free Aadhaar enrollment where only photograph of the child is taken along with the Aadhaar data of one parent or both parents. The biometry of the child will be updated when the child reaches 5 years and 15 years. Another point is LBR has been launched in many states of India. Nagaland was the first state to launch this LBR, and LBR will bring transparency to birth certification and Aadhaar enrollment, which is very much the need of the hour. This will help to access various government welfare programs like scholarships, subsidies, and school admissions, and medical services and treatments, open bank accounts and invest in the future, etc. That is why we have launched this time, and as our SNO have already mentioned that our Honorable CM had already told us to launch as soon as possible. So we have decided to launch from this district hospital, Thaubal. It's a very big district, and the manpower as such is also quite a lot. And we believe that they will do the service.